You've probably heard the term AI agents 100 times already. It's all over your feed. Every day there's new videos, new tools, and new hype. The internet is overloaded with AI content. And let's be honest, most of it you don't actually need. It's either too complicated, too abstract, or just something you'd really never use in a real business. But here's the thing. If you actually understand how AI agents work and which ones are worth implementing, you can save dozens of hours a week and make thousands of pounds or dollars more per month. The problem is, most people get stuck in the noise or just get stuck on YouTube. So in this video, I'll explain everything in a clear and simple way. I'll show you how AI agents actually work in plain and simple language, so you can get the logic and know exactly how to apply them in your own business. Once you get the logic, you'll know exactly which part of your business AI can handle and where the real ROI is hiding. I've seen it firsthand. People who start implementing this are saving 20+ hours a week and making thousands, even tens of thousands of more just by getting a few of their systems in place. Oh, and if this is your kind of content, make sure to subscribe. So let's break down what an AI agent actually is and why it matters for your business. So you've probably used ChatGPT before. You ask it a question and it gives you an answer. This is called an AI chat assistant, and it uses a large language model. It's smart, but it just responds. It can't access your tools and it can't do anything in your business for you. Now imagine you connect that AI to a tool like a calendar or an email and tell it, if someone fills out the form, check my calendar and send them a link to book a call. Now that's called an AI workflow. It's useful, but it follows a fixed path that you had to build. Here's where AI agents are different. Instead of following instructions, an AI agent can actually make decisions on its own. So it can reason, so it figures out the next best steps to reach a goal. It acts using real tools like Gmail, Notion, Twilio, and even NAN to take action. And it improves by testing different approaches and adjusts if something isn't working. Let's say your goal is to turn leads into booked calls. You don't need to build a big workflow with 50 steps. You give that goal to the AI agent and it figures out how to get there, automatically messaging leads, handling objections, booking calls, and tweaking its own process to improve results over time. So in simple terms, AI tools respond, workflows follow rules, and AI agents think, act, and learn. And that's what makes them powerful for businesses. AI agents aren't just some future concept, they're already changing how real businesses operate. So let me give you 3 very real, very doable ways to use AI agents in your business, even if you're not technical. And these agents can actually save you 10 to 20 hours a week and help you generate thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars in extra revenue. Now you don't want to get left behind with this. The people who start implementing this will now have serious leverage and momentum just a few months from now. First, let's look at an AI lead qualifier and appointment booking, something that I actually implemented recently for a client to help them follow up with lost leads and re-engage them. So every time a new lead comes in, say from your website, a form, or even your Instagram DMs, this agent starts a smart conversation, qualifies the leads, and then books a call into your calendar. In simple terms, it's like having a virtual assistant who talks to your leads, checks if they're a good fit, and then sets up a call automatically, 24/7, and no holidays or no sick pay. So let's break this down a little bit further step by step. So a new lead appears, so someone fills out a form on your site or replies to a story or clicks a get started button. The agent then sends a message using Twilio for SMS or WhatsApp Business API to start a chat with the lead. The AI now handles the conversation using like GPT-4 or Claude, where it'll process the lead's answers and respond like a real person. It might ask something like, hey, can I ask a few questions so I can point you in the right direction? Then it'll qualify the lead based on their replies. Then the AI decides if they're a right fit or they're the right type of client for you. For example, looking at their business type, their budget, and even their pain points. If they're a fit, the agent then sends them to your Calendly or Google Calendar link and automatically confirms the appointment. Everything is connected through automation. You can use Make.com or a platform that has really changed the game for me, and that is NAN, and this glues it all together with no coding required. It tells the system if a new lead appears, start this conversation, if qualified, send them the booking link and save it to your CRM. This agent allows you to stop wasting time messaging people manually, and also it filters leads so you only talk to people who are ready to buy. And the best of all, all of this happens on autopilot, even while you sleep. You know how it is when you run a business, everything lives in your head, and your team keeps coming to you with the same questions. Like, what's going on with that client? Or can you send me that onboarding link? Or have you already sent that invoice? It seems like you spend half your day answering the stuff you've already answered last week. And it's not your team's fault. There's just no system that helps them find the answers quickly on their own. That's why you need an internal AI assistant. It's like having someone in your team who actually knows what's going on and can reply instantly. You or your team can ask things like, what's the latest with client A? Or how many leads came in last week? Or what's left to do before the launch? And it'll give you or the team the answer right away. So how does this actually work? You'll need to store all of your business info in something like Notion, Airtable, Google Sheets, or even your CRM. Then the AI, powered by GPT-4, connects all of that data. When someone asks a question, it understands what they mean. It finds the answer and replies in normal human language. So you could talk to this through Slack, Telegram, or even straight from WhatsApp. It's fast, simple, and feels like you're chatting with a team member who actually knows what's going on. It can save you hours every week and really stop your team bothering you with the little things. And more importantly, you finally stop being the bottleneck in your business. Let's be real, most businesses have pretty messy onboarding process. You close the sale and then it's, wait, did I send them that welcome email? Or where's that Google Doc with the next steps? Or did we get all of the right info? Oh no, let me DM them again. And the problem is when onboarding feels messy, clients notice. They start to feel unsure, they take longer to reply, they question if they made the right choice. But when onboarding is smooth and clear, people stick around longer, they pay faster and trust you more from day one. That's why I always recommend setting up an AI onboarding agent. So here's how it works, and it's super simple. Client signs up or pays, that's the trigger which starts the process. The AI agent then will send a welcome email automatically with a short intro and what to expect, and maybe a link to collect more information. That form, built into high level or type form, asks for anything you need, like brand assets, goals, account access, you name it. Once they submit, the agent automatically then sends the contract, uploads their info into Notion or ClickUp, or wherever you manage your projects, and then even notifies your team in Slack or WhatsApp. All of this is connected through, say, NAN or Make.com, so it runs like clockwork with no manual steps and no missed tasks. This really allows you and your business to really make a killer first impression and actually save 30 to maybe 60 minutes per client. And your business finally feels like it's got it together, even if it's just you and a VA behind the scenes. And honestly, this is just the beginning. There's a ton of other stuff that you can set up with AI agents, like a content repurposing assistant that takes one video and automatically turns it into an Instagram post, LinkedIn captions, tweets, all without you having to touch it. Or a follow-up agent that sends smart emails or DMs to people who download your lead magnet but never booked a call. It checks in, shares value, and then brings them back in. There's even stuff like proposal builders, reminder agents, internal reporting tools. And once you get the hang of it, you can start realizing how much of your business can actually run without you being stuck in the middle of everything. Now, if there's a specific one you want me to break down next, just drop it in the comments below and I'll make a video on it. All right, talk soon.